Our project is data security in the cloud by using some encryption methodologies. Vinay, Pawan, and Sagar are the teammates done this project. Today, many applications are hosted on the internet. If something is hosted on the internet, there is a chance that the details or the data might be stolen from there. And even many applications are hosted on the cloud. Security is one of the most important factor that need to be considered when the data is stored in the cloud. Okay. In our project, let us take a simple example how the data is stored in the cloud. First of all, user enters the data, whether it may be form data or any data. Before uh, entering into the cloud, we will encrypt the data and then we will push to the SQL Azure. And whenever the user requests the data from the cloud, it will be decrypted and then it will be sent to the user. Now let us see how to create a resource in the cloud platform and provide some security mechanisms like firewall, etc. This is Microsoft Azure's platform where we can create several resources, and this Microsoft platform is free for the students, and we can create resources for the learning purpose. Learning sandbox is given to us to create some services. We can create services like cognitive services, we can create virtual machines, storage accounts, and now we will create some database by clicking create resource, and then we select the database here, and then we will select the SQL database option which is there, and now we will fill up the following. The Coin6 subscription is already given by them, and Learn 4023 was the resource group that was allocated by us, and now this one is the database name that we want to create. I will give it as student, and then the server for which the database is created is the, we have given the server name as a security project, and that server is located on the East US, and the elastic pool computer storage. And now we have created a database. In the subscription we can see that we have a database. This is our subscription ID. This is the subscription ID which is used for us to connect with the interface. Now we can see the details of the database which we have created earlier, and the resource group was security project student, created 3 minutes ago, and then it will be available for the rest of the time. Now we will go to the dashboard, and here we will select the logistics, and now we will look at some security elements which are provided by the Azure to us. First is data encryption, which is configured by the our subscription method, and now advanced data security. Also we will get some performance recovery auditing, and now we will set a server firewall for the database. Firewall for the server is more or like a gatekeeper who allows only a specific members to access the server. Firewall always maintain a list to whom it should allow to access and whom to should not allow the access. To create the resource group to the client group who are accessible, we need to give the start IP and the end IP so that it will know which group of network members should be allowed to access the network. Here we are working in the Microsoft Learn Sandbox environment, so we are allowed only to give one IP address to this. See, the first starting IP address and the ending IP address are the same. And now if we create add client, the firewall has been set to the server that we have created. And now this is with the interface we have created, we need to provide the subscription link of this database to that interface. By this we are ready with our database, and we can start using our database to store the details of the users. Thank you.